Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Recipes with meats need not always be made with rich ingredients. Sometimes meats cooked with simple basic ingredients can also be delectable. Here is one such recipe, that is the Peshawari Namkeen Gosht. So for this recipe, let's heat half a cup of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Let's saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. It's time to add the meat. I have about 800 grams of mutton here, which I'm going to add to the ginger garlic. And we are going to sear this meat for at least 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. I want you to fry the meat till it's slightly browned in color. So while the mutton is going to get brown, let's quickly chop 3 tomatoes that I have peeled. I have just removed the skin, peeled it basically, and just going to cut it into huge cubes. This dish is going to get its color by browning the meat, so I want you to brown the meat really well. Let's add the chopped tomatoes. Mix this well. I'm going to quickly slit 5 green chilies and add it to the meat. The tomatoes are cooking slowly. Let's add half a teaspoon of pepper powder, some salt to taste. Now let's mix this well. And now I'm going to add a cup of water to this. Give it a final mix. And we're going to cover this and cook till the meat is done. So I've kept this meat for almost 45 minutes to get cooked. Let's see if it's done. You can see the meat is almost off the bone. It's cooked well. Now it also depends on the quality of meat that you're using. So now you can see the oil has separated. Now to add a little flavor more to this dish, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, some freshly chopped coriander. Just stir this well. It's really smelling good. You know, that buttery smell is, I just love it. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. So there's a saying that less is more, and it is so apt for this recipe. And I'm sure you guys are going to agree with me once you all try this recipe as well. So do try it and keep watching Get Curried.